Hello, friends, and welcome. This is C. Rajiv Khatlawala, author of How to Profit from Technical Analysis, and I'm a trader as well as a financial trade trainer. In fact, this is my second momentum evaluation in the last couple of days. Last week on 7th of October, just a couple of days back, I had given the evaluation of SBI. Just before I go to the this day's session, let me just give you an idea what happened in case of State Bank of India. The I had given an indication. Those of you who have not seen my particular video on State Bank of India FNO momentum trade, please go to my channel. It is already there. Uh, FNO momentum trade, 7th of October. Here I had indicated that 193.50 is the breakout level for State Bank of India, and that breakout has already occurred yesterday. And today we saw some good movement. We have already closed up 5 rupees, 198.5 approximately, and the target which I had given last week, that is a couple of days back, is 203, 204. So that target is still on. So those of you who have not seen this video, please go to my channel and watch them. So now let us see what is in store for this coming week. And one stock which I had it under my radar for some time is Larsen and Toubro, that is LNT. And as you can see, the stock, this is the hourly chart. As last Since August 19th, it has been, after making a high of around 1025, it has been in a lower high low low formation, a downtrend till almost 850 levels, 845 levels, which it touched on 24th of September. Now from there is a rebound and then a small correction, and again we are back to 908 levels, which is today's closing, that is today being 9th of October. Now, in this process, the two things are very interesting to note, friends. One is in case of Larsen and Toubro, when the low was made here, we are talking about when the low was made at 843 on 24th of September. There was some huge spike in volumes here at this lower level, means at around 840, 850 levels. There was huge spike in volumes, which is a positive. This is generally a bottoming out indication for a stock, and that is exactly what has happened. The prices rebounded from 850 almost near to 916. Thereafter, there was some correction, and even in this correction, here at around 880 levels again, there was a huge spike in volumes. Now, this is also one more positive. I'll explain in a moment's time why it is a positive here. So, as you can see, friends, that the downfall on the hourly chart, or smaller time frame, not on the daily chart, but on the hourly chart, there was a downtrend which terminated in a at around 840 with a huge volume. And in this entire fall, what has happened is that it has created what is called an inverted head and shoulder here. So this crash nearer to 840 became the head. This is the rebound to the neckline. Again, a fall, but this fall was a correction which made the right shoulder. This is the right shoulder, as you're observing, 880 levels, 876 levels. This was the right shoulder, and now we are back to the neckline. And that is why right now, therefore, this stock is ripe for upward movement. Right now, today we have closed, that is on Friday, 9th of October. Today we have closed at 908. So I would say that if you want to build up a position, wait for a breakout of 915. That is a breakout of the recent high of today's high, 915. On this breakout, the inverted head and shoulder would get confirmed, and this black line which I have drawn is nothing but the neckline. So the neckline breakout would occur at this point, 915. You can buy here, and the technical target for this would be around 980. So let me just draw the arrow here so that it is recorded in this particular video. So the target for this stock would be in the next coming week. It will be 980 over the next few days. Please note that whenever I'm talking about the hourly chart, it is not an intraday target, but it is a target which can come or which can be achieved in the next 3-4 days, at least 2 to 3 days. So 915 is your breakout level. Your target would be around 980, which is nothing but the target of the inverted head and shoulder. And once you are into the trade, I would suggest that you should keep a stop initially nearer to 885. Initially, you can keep that stop, and as the price starts rising and breaks the the upper level of 930 or 35, you can trail your stop loss from 885 nearer to 900. So you will reduce your risk once the stock starts going in your favor. So this is called a trailing stop loss. So this is the way normally we will initiate any trade and also manage the trade. Friends, please believe me, initiating the trade, entering into a trade is the easiest part. But the management of the trade is where your skills and your expertise will lie. And that is why I always say that you should have a trailing stop loss mechanism. So once the price starts moving up, then you can start trailing your stop loss. Keeping your stop loss is very important, friends, and please do not forget to keep the stop loss. If at all, for some XYZ reason, after you enter the trade and the 885 rupees stop is hit, just get out of the stock, reevaluate it, and in fact, I will also reevaluate in case such a thing happens, and then we will again enter the stock at some appropriate time. So I hope this evaluation is clear to all of you, and I hope you have a good trading day, trading week. Those of you who are new to this, please note that I give my daily price targets for Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as for 2 to 3 stocks on a daily basis at 10 a.m. in the morning. So that you can trade, you can know the price targets for these stocks and indices throughout the day. So those of you who are new, you can surely get this. Thank you very much. This is CA Rajiv Khatlawala signing off.